There are recordings where I have a section that sounds like someone trying to talk while riding on the tailgate of a pickup truck over a rough road. This noise has been a mystery and continues to pop up at times. The next problem is similar to that. I call it a stutter. Let's see what it sounds like. And while we may doubt the story of the scriptures and their instruction, and while we may doubt the story of the scriptures and their scriptures and their in scriptures and their in scriptures and their in scriptures and their in scriptures and their probably the same process going on here as with the what I called staccato, same thing, except the other is a little bit more severe as far as actually interrupting the sound. This sounds like I'm talking underwater, where something is actually distorting the voice. And again, to me, that sounds like either an electronic processing problem or something like that. Now, when I was talking just now, the back of my mouth did a little flip, and that is a similar sound to this, but this is something different. So the Mac Mini, I haven't optimized that yet for the Focusrite. Now, with optimizing, basically you're going to shut off any kind of background process. You're not going to have anything else running. You're going to do whatever. I know what that is for Windows. I haven't been dealing with Macs that long, so I'm new to that entire environment. And I've been doing computers. I was a CompTIA certified tech, network administrator, Cisco trained, all that kind of stuff for years. So I kind of know my way around everything except a Mac. But this is odd. And I really couldn't put my finger on exactly what might be causing that. In scriptures and they're in scriptures and they're in scriptures and they're in... It's almost like if somebody was talking and they're riding on the tailgate of a pickup truck. Okay, so that's the last example of that. That's another example of something that when it happens, the only thing I can do is re-record.